This is the story of Amazon's $107 million mistake and how you can avoid this terrible mistake in your own Amazon business and make more money. So back in 2006, as the legend goes, Amazon was testing some page load times. And what they found was that for every 100 milliseconds slower that a page would load, it would cost them money to the tune of $107 million. And so they sped up the pages and they made the money back. But the point basically is, in a large sense, the more friction you put in front of shoppers, the less money you'll make. The harder you make it to purchase, the less money you'll make. And so the easier you make it, the more money, right? It makes sense. And so if, as an Amazon seller, you want to reduce friction to the buying process, I have a few ideas for you. Number one is around parent and child SKUs. So especially if you have some SKUs that you notice people are buying a little bit more in bulk than what is currently listed, consider launching a bulk pack or a family size pack, whatever makes sense for your product, because that will ease those shoppers into buying more. If it's just listed on the listing as a child SKU, I can buy 30 of these instead of 10, more people will do it, and you'll have larger cart sizes and you'll make more money. The other thing is actually to pretty much always pair your parent and child SKUs together at all times. There's not really a benefit to having a bunch of different child SKUs floating around as separate products. You should probably consolidate those and send me an email. It's pat@asteroidx.com if you need some free help to put listings together like that. The next thing is to build one of these Amazon storefronts. So brand registered sellers on Amazon for a number of years now have been able to build these storefront pages, which is like a Shopify-esque collection of all of your products. And what we found is that it's still true that most shoppers buy just on a SKU by SKU basis, so they don't shop by brand. It can still increase your cart size as well as build some brand identity on the Amazon platform, so that's not bad at all. The fourth one I almost never hear discussed, so we'll give it to you here. It is these product targeting ads. Have you seen these? This is basically when you go to an Amazon detail page, like a listing page of any sort, and you scroll down below the fold, you'll see sponsored products related to this item, that section. Chances are you're being targeted by competitors, whether you know it or not. If you go to your own listing and you scroll down, it'll be almost all your competitors' products. So why not actually target yourself as an ad? So with your, say you had an orange t-shirt, target your orange t-shirt listing with your blue t-shirt so that your blue appears lower down on that page, and that's sponsored products related to this item section. This one really pays off financially, and you'll see it immediately. But again, it's another example of reducing friction and making it easier to buy from you versus other sellers on the platform. So those are a few thoughts on ease of use and reducing friction, which can really help boost the bottom line significantly. Sometimes I think we're talking about a 10 to 20% profit increase over the course of about 6 months. Could easily be by implementing some of these steps. If you want a full playbook, and I mean a full playbook on exactly how to scale up on Amazon to 7 and then 8 figures, I wrote you a free book. I will drop it as a comment to this video, and I'll see you on the other side. It took me months and months to write. It's totally free. This one's on me, so go ahead and click that link in the comments. I'll see you there. Bye.